Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt muesli. Start by measuring 1 cup muesli and placing it in a bowl. Stir in 3/4 cup plain yogurt until evenly coated. Top with 1/2 cup mixed berries, a tablespoon of honey, and a sprinkle of chopped almonds. Chill briefly for a creamier texture, or serve immediately for crunch. Taste and adjust sweetness or fruit to your liking. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. Measure 1 cup muesli, 3/4 cup plain or Greek yogurt, and 1/2 cup fruit. Prepare optional add-ins like 1 tablespoon honey, a tablespoon of seeds, and a handful of nuts. Having everything ready helps you layer flavors quickly. This simple mise-en-place makes assembly fast and enjoyable, so you can create a balanced bowl in minutes. Combine yogurt and muesli with gentle folds to balance crunch and creaminess. Add fruit and nuts on top to maintain crisp textures and make the bowl inviting. If you like a softer, creamier result, let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the grains soak slightly. Taste and tweak with a drizzle of honey or a pinch of cinnamon. Serve in a bowl or a jar for an easy grab-and-go option.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.